Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, here we do bath and shavings, groomings on the dogs. Today we have this little girl. She looks like a fox. Look at her. She's very sweet, and the owners are Spanish. And they are on vacation here in Portugal and asked me to cut her nails, clean her ears and bathe her. And that's what we are going to do. Her name is Keka and she looks very sweet and she looks like she is going to let me do this stuff. So let's see. She's very interested in everything. Vamos começar pelas de trás. Linda menina, Kika. Que linda. Linda, tudo bem. She does have long nails. Linda menina. Boa, Kikas. Because she has such thin nails, they scratch, and the owners didn't want that, so I'm going to do this for them not to be so scratchy. I'm sorry for my bad English, but I'm not English, American, or from the United Kingdom, so that's why I'm like this. I speak like this. Linda. Vamos ver esta de frente. Linda, mostra. Linda. I was worried because she jumped. I was worried that I cut her nail too much, but didn't. Because she has clear nails that we can see, but that one was darker, and I could have calculated the wrong place to cut. But no, fortunately, I did it right. Linda. Tudo bem, Kiki. I am considering buying a grinder for the nails, but I don't know, man. The dogs that I usually have here, they don't let me do that very well, and they do not do good with very loud noises and the vibrations. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to use that on them, because here we are in a rural area and people do not get dogs used to since a very young age to this kind of stuff. Usually they are tied up in a chain in the backyard, so they are not used to this kind of stuff, and when they come here they do not do good. I mean, some people, they have their pets in their homes and they do take care of them, but I don't know. I don't know if I should invest in that. As I've said it before, I am a small groomer. Tudo bem, Nina, tudo bem. And I don't have all of the stuff that the groomers have, the groomers that you see on those videos on YouTube. We have to start. Ainda. Mas não. We have to start from the bottom, I guess. One day I will have all of those machines and those stuff and all of that gear. One day I will have all of that gear. This girl, she lets me do everything. She's very sweet. She has her tail between her legs because she's scared. She doesn't know me. And she doesn't know what I'm going to do with her. So, it's normal. Linda Nina. So we are going to give her a bath. Kika? Nina. Vamos tomar um banhinho. Um pouquinho? Um pouquinho, Luína? Então, foi. Já estava com o nariz. Estava sujinha.
minha jujita Kika. Tão linda, Kika. Fica branquinha. Muito linda, Kikinha. Muito bem. Tá, pronto. Tirar o gesso da avinha daqui, tá? Muito bem, Kika. Onde que ela está? Tudo bem, Kika.
Now we are back on the table and I'm going to clean her ears. Linda. And I'm going to try and dry her a little bit more after this. Linda, muito bem, Kika. Now I'm going to just give her a slight brush to see how the hairs fall. She's not having a very bad shedding. She's okay. She's not shedding a lot, so that's okay. I just want to see if everything is brushed. Linda. I think she's okay. I'm going to put some perfume on her and call the honors. So this is Kika after a bath. She did pretty amazing. She did pretty good. She's a good girl. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. She wants out of the table. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Bye!